Hello students and welcome to Top Scholars. Students, today we'll be talking about another very interesting topic, that is animals' nervous system. First, we study about control and coordination. Now students, in our body, the nervous system regulates control and coordination. Now what do I mean by this? Everything you do, right from talking, walking, working, playing, everything is controlled and coordinated by the nervous system. Now let us take a look at the regulation of coordination. It is done, as I just mentioned, by the nervous system and also by another system known as the endocrine system. Now let us take a look at the functions of the nervous system. The very first function is control and coordination. As mentioned before, it is controlling and coordinating every activity of the human body. Next students, awareness. Who you are, what you are doing, where you are supposed to go, who are your friends, etc. Everything around you makes you aware, and this awareness is maintained by the nervous system. It receives stimuli from the internal as well as from the external environment and gives appropriate response. Next students, memory. Now who you are, who are your friends, where do you stay, especially when you learn something and you have to remember it and write the answer in the exam, your memory is the one which is working. It stores information and it retrieves that information whenever it is required. Now, let us classify the nervous system. The nervous system is classified into two parts. The very first part is the central nervous system, which includes the brain and it also includes the spinal cord. Students, the second part is the peripheral nervous system. This is the nervous system which is made up of the nerves which are originating from the brain or from the spinal cord. Also students, this is the part which receives impulses from the CNS, that is from the central nervous system, and interprets it.
To learn more about this topic, download Toppscholars app.